Icaros. In ancient Greek mythology, there's a story about Icarus, a character who loves flying. This is a device called Icaros, and it seems that its connection with Icarus is not accidental. On the outside, the person using the device looks like they're floating in the air, and they are actually flying, however only in virtual reality. Icaros is designed to break the common stereotype that gamers don't exercise and don't go to the gym. Because one flight session in virtual reality is similar to a fully fledged training of the whole body. The device, although it has bulky dimensions, is very simple on the inside. The person rests with their elbows and knees on the special supports, wearing a VR helmet or VR glasses. Movements in real life become movements in the virtual world. That is, to play, the person has to move their body. In the game, the person's given the opportunity to be in the role of an aircraft, which flies among the Alpine mountains. Thus, almost all major muscle groups are subjected to physical activity.